Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I will show you 5 DIY wall decors using things easily available in your home. So come, let's start the video. So here I will take some old clothes which are no longer in use, and for the first DIY I will cut out strips of clothes. Now these strips of clothes I will arrange as per my wish and fix them in a wooden stick. So in this way I have to fix it, and to hang it at last I will use the jute rope. So I have adjusted, and now I will tie the jute rope, and this is how it looks. Isn't it beautiful? Now for the next DIY I will use the embroidery rings and a piece of cloth. Now I want twin looks, so for both the rings I have taken the same print of cloth, and in this way I have to fix the cloth. After that I will trim the cloth and fix it with the help of any adhesive. There is one more way. If you don't want to use adhesive, you have to trim the cloth very nicely and fix it very tightly. So this is how you have to do. And this portion I will fix with the help of brown tape. So our second DIY is also ready, and this is how it looks. For the next DIY I will use my old kurta, and from this kurta I will use the lower part of the kurta. So I will cut out this portion with the help of a scissor. Now I have to fix one wooden stick here, so I will stitch it here. So I have stitched it, and now I will put inside the wooden stick. Now to decorate the base I will use red yarn. So I will measure the yarn according to the base, and I will take a little bit longer. Now I will secure it with the help of sellotape. Now with the help of a cardboard I will take around 40 to 50 turns. After that I will fix all the individual yarns on the yarn which I have already placed and secured with the help of sellotape. So in this way, after making a loop I have to fix it. So this is done, and now I will fix it at the back of the cloth with the help of brown tape. So it's done, and let us see how it will look on the wall. And to hang it I will again use the red yarn. So this is how it looks, and it is really looking very beautiful. For the next DIY I will use again a piece of cloth, one antique old jewelry which is no longer in use, and this is the box of a shirt. Now first what I have to do, I have to remove the unwanted part of the box. and I have to give it the look of like a photo frame. So after removing the unwanted parts, I will cut out the corners of all the edges. So this is how it becomes. Now I have to cut out the corners. Now with the help of adhesive, I will fix the piece of cloth which I have already cut as per the size of the box. After fixing the cloth, I will fix the edges of the box using adhesive. Here I am using Fevicol. You can also use the glue gun. So our basic structure is ready. Now I want only the pendant, so I will take out the chain and I will fix the pendant on the box. So for that I have to stitch the pendant because the pendant has got some weight. If it is a light pendant, you can also fix it with the help of adhesive. So I have fixed it. Now I will secure the bag with the help of brown tape. And to hang it, I will use the jute rope. And I will fix the jute rope with the help of brown tape. Now I don't want these writings, so I will hide it with the help of black acrylic color. So our DIY is ready and this is how it looks on the wall. Isn't it looking very beautiful, giving an antique look? For the last DIY, again I will use a pendant, a piece of cloth and cardboard. First I have to take out some circular parts of the cardboard. Since I will need 2 circular discs, so I have made 2 big circles. So our circles are ready. Now I will see which part I want from the cloth. So I will be using this part. So I will trim the cloth little bit and fix it with the help of brown tape. So I have fixed it. Now I will use the pendant. So I will take out the chain. And again in the same process I will stitch the pendant here and I will secure it with the help of brown tape. Now to hide all this I will use the next circular cardboard disc. So I will fix it with the help of adhesive. Again I have designed with the help of glass mica the circumference. And to hang it again I will use the jute rope and I will secure it with the help of brown tape. And this is how it looks on the wall. Very beautiful. So all my DIYs are ready. So if you have liked my video, please do like, share and subscribe my channel. And thanks a lot for watching my video. Take care.